I am still here in good old Seattle. I am now headed down. I just left the Shug's ice cream shop. You guys saw that video. I am now headed down back towards the ferry to a place called Merchant's Cafe. It's the oldest bar in Seattle. So let's check that out. There's a whole, I have been passing tons and tons of places to eat here. It's ridiculous how many places there are to eat around here. If you are a foodie, I can definitely tell you this place is for you, which I kind of am as well, but can't really eat that much right now. Like, look at this place. Look at this. I mean, that looks incredible. Oh, sorry, you're good. That looked incredible. All that stuff. Oh, here's the Pike. Here's the Pike. I actually wanted to show this. It's the Pike. Forgot about this place. So maybe we'll do a little bit of a bar tour on this video. Because they have the Pike Pub. I forgot all about this one. This was supposed to go on my last video, actually. But I got sidetracked. So they have a brewery here. I've been here once before. I think I ate here, to be honest with you. Can't remember. I believe I did. I can't remember. I know I sat down and had a beer. Let's see if they have any bar seating. They do have a low seat right there. Let's take this one then. All right, so I'm gonna try their 5X stout. It is 8.2% ABV. That's a stouty stout there. As you see, they do brew their own beers here. So let's try this one. Alright. It is okay. Yeah, I remember coming here a long time ago. But it was a cool place, and as far as I remember, they had some good food here. But yeah, this place is pretty neat, and it's tucked into Pike Place. But I'll finish this beer up because I forgot to put this one on the last video. I wanted to put this one on the last video, but I completely forgot. But I'm gonna finish this beer up and then keep heading my way down towards Merchant's Cafe. All right, we're back out on the street again. Back on the street, gonna keep headed this way towards the bar. Let's go check out this view right quick, though. Let's take a detour for a second. We're gonna check out this view. I'm still on, right? I am, okay. Let's make sure I'm recording. I don't need another incident with the Camden Market video where there was absolutely no audio because the microphone, for some reason, turned itself off. Look at that view. Ooh. What is this? There's the Goldfinch Tavern. This must be a bit of a fancy hotel. My man's riding around in the Bentley. Got a Bentley. We've got the I think that's an LC 500 right there. I think that's what that is. Is that an RC 500? LC or an RC 500? Really? Did you guys see it? Did you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Like, dude's just driving down the street minding his business. All right, just as I said, there's the Smith Tower right there. If you don't know what the Smith Tower is, if you've ever heard the song by, I believe is the former singer of Death Cab for Cutie, Teardrop Windows, that's what that building's, that's what that song's about, is that building. So next time you hear that song, pay attention to the words, because that song's about that building. But we'll keep on heading. Homeboy had the Freddy Krueger sweater on. The jank was fly. But I believe we were almost at the bar. So we will check back in when we hit there. And it's actually directly in front of me. I'm gonna run into it. It is right there. Merchant's Cafe. There it is. Boom. All right. And there's the Merchant's Cafe. Now, if there is an older one, let me know, because my research could be wrong. Apparently, there was another one that they said was the oldest one. It was called Jules something. But then I saw on another website where somebody did a bunch of research and history on it and found out that that alleged bar, that man was never even in the area until years later. So, all right, let's check it out, see if I'm able to film in here. If I'm not, oh, it actually has it on the top too. Seattle's oldest restaurant. All right, let's hop on in here. All right, here we are, the oldest bar in Seattle. Pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and sit down, and I guess we're gonna have a drink here in a second. Let's check it out. Huh. All right, let's grab a drink, and then, yeah, let's go. I got some beers on tap. I don't feel like having a beer. My stomach is full. I might just have like a scotch or something, and might just have a scotch or something. Am I still recording? I bet, yeah, I am. Okay, yeah. So I'll probably just have a scotch. All right, Westland Flagship Whiskey. So apparently this is made here, Burlington, Washington. So it's made in Washington. Pacific Northwest, that's where we are. All right, so let's try it here. Okay. Not too much burn in it. A little bit of smoky peat in there. Some sweetness. I was going to get a beer, but stomach can't handle another beer. That's why I didn't really finish the one down in Pike Place, because of that. But it's pretty good. But yeah, this is the oldest bar in Seattle. So pretty cool. If you want to come check it out, it is like right off the ferry. Pretty much you come off the ferry and you go up the street to the right by the Smith building. That building that I showed you, that's right there. Go towards that Smith building and it's right there. You can't miss it. Big old letters across the front that says Merchant's Cafe. So oldest one, and that's going to pretty much complete this video. So probably not a very long video, but make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite bar in your area, or the oldest one in your area, and I'll try to make it there. But that's all I got. So as always, tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.